all of that comes up. So
Babs is sewing with her little, look how old that Singer sewing machine is. She's making a rug.
this is a featherweight.
A featherweight. Let me see. And this is just one of those cheap
$5 blankets.
$5 blankets. She's sewing. And then she's going to cut. Where was that? Oh, right here. And it's going to have little, what do you call
It's going to be
those?
fluffy.
Fluffy. It's going to be a fluffy blanket. A blanket. It's not a blanket, it's a rug. So you're
Winding the bobbin.
winding the bobbin.
Bobbin.
Wow. How cool is that? Okay. I want to watch you sew. Ta-da!
Thing I like about this machine is it can sew backwards without having to hold a button down,
Yeah.
which sometimes is nice.
Like I would understand what you're talking about, but I don't.
Well, I can put it,
Oh, start it
there
there and
and-
then go back.
or I can sew this whole thing backwards. I want it to. Like if I'm fixing breeches,
Yeah.
sometimes you
Britches.
breeches.
You fixed my britches.
Yep. Dubs.
Yeah, you always want a sewer in your group. Ooh, it's hot out here.
It is hot out here. That's why I want to get this done.
Yeah. Okay, now you're cutting them. And then it's going to make it fluffy. So is it going to fray?
No, it will. This
No?
will not fray.
Okay.
If you used a cotton, it would fray, and it
Okay.
would be fluffier.
Yeah.
But
But it's
this
just
is
gonna
this
look
is
like
polar fleece. Now, when it's washed, these will come up more.
Okay.
Like this.
Oh, cool.
It'll look more like that.
that. And there's the finished product. Cool. It's so soft. So this is the rug after it's been washed. See how it's all puffed up? That's cool. Is it puffed up? It's not probably the right word, right?
Yeah, but that's okay.
That's cool. And the other side. So is it sliding or is
Yeah,
it
I'm
working?
gonna-
So you're going to put something on the back?
Yeah, I'm gonna put hot glue.
Isn't that cool? That is awesome.
I love it.
Oh, I know. I do too. So cool.